みえさん、こんにちは。Lip liner stays a lot longer than lipstick. Lipstick, you take a little sip of a drink and it's off. It's on the glass, not on your lips. So lip liner is a lot better. And I just used the red kind. I like this kind because it's like twist up, so you never have to sharpen it. Okay, so now we're gonna do eyes. And I'm gonna start with my eyeliner. And I'm going to use liquid eyeliner, and I haven't been using liquid eyeliner for very long, so I'm not very good at it. So let's see how I do. Liquid. It's hard. Because it's a lot easier to use. Okay, so now I have my sparkles, like a little pot of sparkles, and you can take any brush or sponge tip applicator thing and just put on your sparkles on your top lid. Sparkles, sparkles are fun. So there we go. Oh my god. Sparkles, they fall, but I mean, it's fine. And then I'll put on mascara. Mascara. And it's this blue teal color. It's very Minxy. And I'm just gonna put that on my bottom line. Huh. Yeah, you can't really see it very good. It's a very Minxy look. Thanks for watching, and I hope you also subscribe to my videos. So, mate ne!